What's up, guys? We back with another one. Today we're working on a BMW. Came into the shop for a full paint job, outside only, just white. Removed the bumpers, the wing. It'll be better instead of painting it on the car. You won't be able to get good coverage underneath. Same for the body kit. It's better to paint it this way. You can get into all these little gaps versus it on the vehicle. Now this is the first drift car Rob's Custom does. Badass little BMW with the white body kit, and it's LS swapped. Badass. So I'm getting everything all masked up and get ready to shoot some primer on here, and then we'll start prepping these bumpers with some adhesion promoter, some primer, go from there. See how far we can get on this build to get it painted. It is Super Bowl Sunday. I was supposed to start it yesterday, but we got a snowstorm yesterday, pretty much white out everything. So instead of working on this, went out on the cannon. So let's see how far we can get in this. Nice, we got some nice sunny weather. Propane going. All right, guys, she's getting all prepped up, ready for paint. We're just gonna do an outside basic white, solid white, no metallics. He just wants it freshened up. Obviously the body kits, all that he has on, we're gonna take that to the back of the paint booth. And the hood, I did decide to take the hood off. We'll get all that painted in the paint booth and just paint the outside of this car. So I would have taken off the headlights and tail lights and all that, but it all depends on what the customer wants to pay for. Usually I take all that off so you get paint underneath and behind everything. But like I said, I work with everybody on pricing, and sometimes the cheaper you want to go, I'll just leave them on, tape around it. You'll still get some good paint, but it just all depends on what customer wants to pay for. There are the parts that are going to go to the back. We're going to focus on the car so that we can get that painted. Once it's fully painted, then we can start scuffing all the panels, the wing. We'll start getting all that prepped. It's that polyurethane bare raw plastic. So we got to get that all sealed up and primed up, wet sanded and all that. So all right, let's get some paint on her. We're going to primer her up first. I am going to primer 2K primer this whole car, so everything is sealed up, along with these bottom side skirts. Primer the whole thing, and then we'll shoot some white over it. Alright, guys, we got the claddings and the side skirts in that adhesion promoter sealer. We're gonna now hit the whole car with the 2K, cover everything, and then cover on top of the claddings. Alright, guys, so we're done with the base coat. We did I want to say 3.5 quarts of white, frost white. This is looking real good. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but on the camera it kind of looks primer still. It's looking good. We're gonna let her flash off, and I got one of those towels to clean off any dust. Tack cloth. Got a tack cloth here ready to go. Wipe the whole thing down. Now we'll start with our clear. 3, maybe 4 quarts of clear I'm gonna put on this bad boy and make it real shiny. Alright, guys, everything's all done. We put the front bumpers, back bumpers back on. We were gonna leave them off for the customer. We just decided to go ahead and put everything back on. same way he dropped it off. We went ahead and painted his grills and the hood insert black, jet black glossy. I was gonna paint these, but these are like a carbon fiber, and I think the customer wanted them to be carbon fiber. So, all right, I'm giving her a wash.